Institutional investors, regulators, retail and individual investors all converged on Lagos to tread a pathway towards deepening the exchange-traded products segment of the market. One of the products, exchange-traded fund, is an investment vehicle that combines some feature of mutual funds with that of an individual stocks to provide investors access to a group of securities through a single transaction. Chief Executive Officer of the Nigerian Stock Exchange, Oscar Onyema, provides insight into the products and the benefits of investing in the evolving Nigerian capital market space.
What we're doing with this workshop today really is to educate people about the different ways you can use exchange-traded products. There are different applications, and you can see that there are wide applications, and that is why they're so popular around the world. And you've seen a significant growth in assets under management, now $5 trillion US dollars, with about 15,000 exchange-traded products out there, spread across 71 exchanges around the world. So we're talking significant growth opportunities here.
The panelists at the forum shared ideas on how to diversify portfolios using a single transaction window for a basket of securities, as well as the role of the exchange-traded products in such diversified portfolios.
It's a way for investors to really buy. Instead of just a single share, you can buy a whole basket or a whole variety of shares in one investment. It is housed in a collective investment scheme, a mutual fund or a unit trust, which is an investment vehicle that most investors are already familiar with this, but now you are buying this on the stock exchange.
The Nigerian Stock Exchange first launched an exchange-traded products in 2011, which has now grown significantly. According to Oscar, some of the products investors can take advantage of include New Gold Exchange-Traded Fund, bonds in the fixed income market, and equities, among others.
I think essentially our market is not so complex that there are you could have different views or things that you want to pursue, and you as an institutional investor on your own is not able to do that. And therefore, there is such a compelling need, for ETFs.
There is an opportunity for you to have offshore exposure while still being domesticated. That presents an opportunity for PFAs to diversify, because as you're aware today, we cannot directly invest outside of the shores of Nigeria except with the express approval of the president.
Part of what the regulators might need to do is to create enabling legislations that can improve participation in ETFs. And I'm going to latch on the point on offshore investing. In as much as we want to grow this market, if you look at the rate at which pension fund assets are growing, there's a need to create market and products to match that growth or even faster.
The emerging set of traded products on the Nigerian Stock Exchange has now provided a window for both local and foreign investors to leverage on for increased returns and their investment in the market. Frank Omalape, Captain Business, Lagos.